Jack poured the fluorescent powder into a glass of water and stirred it slowly. Then, in an instant, he witnessed something extraordinary. The powder, invisible to the naked eye, glowed vividly under the ultraviolet light. A bold idea surged through Jack's mind. Carefully, he dipped a rare $1 million coin into the liquid and anonymously mailed it to the city's largest museum, addressed to the curator, Lisa. When Lisa, unsuspecting, received the priceless artifact and eagerly began examining it, she had no idea that the moment she touched it, Jack's sinister plan had already been set in motion. Meanwhile, Jack's accomplice, Mike, monitored everything through a hidden camera. Using a laser frequency emitter, he locked onto the thermal sensor beneath the display case. As soon as the museum's first exhibit triggered the heat alarm, the automated security system instantly retracted the treasured Declaration of Independence into the underground vault. Alarmed by the alert, Lisa rushed to the vault and entered the access code on the keypad, unknowingly leaving traces of the fluorescent powder on its surface. The moment Lisa stepped inside to investigate, Mike slipped into the museum's server room. With swift precision, he sliced through the protective conduit, inserted a pre-programmed controller deep into the wiring, and patched it into the surveillance system. Once the feed was hacked, he froze all security cameras, leaving the museum blind. At the same time, Jack disguised himself as a maintenance worker to infiltrate the building under the guise of repairing the security system. Inside a restroom, he shed his uniform, changed into a suit, and blended in as an ordinary guest. His meticulous planning had one goal: to smuggle in an electric drill undetected. Calmly, Jack mingled at a crowded museum gala. Amid the chaos, he deftly swapped his glass with Lisa's, stealing the one bearing her fingerprints. Seizing his chance, he ducked into a secluded bathroom with the glass and a sealable bag, dabbing fingerprint reagent onto a cotton pad. He watched as Lisa's prints materialized into sharp relief. With painstaking care, he pressed a synthetic thumb mold onto the residue, capturing a flawless replica. Now, all that stood between him and the vault's elevator was a biometric scan, but one wrong move would trigger a swarm of armed police and disaster. Stay tuned for part 2.